Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. I do not have a lot of time. You need this information. All right, so we had a nice rally going today in the evening, the S&P on Wednesday. It rallied up smartly, up. Trump started speaking. It went all the way up. It was up. And then as Trump spoke, it went all the way down, made new lows, and has now prompted me to tell you, of course, if you recall, this week, we had showed you that we had a bear flag projection. That bear flag projection was met, and I mentioned to all of my Omniacs that if we needed, I would produce a secondary bear flag projection. Turns out we need one, right? So this video is coming at you quickly so you'll know what it is, but the secondary bear flag projection is 5,400 to 5,395. That's what you should get that out of this bear flag, because we've already hit the first projection, and now that we've had this outside reversal down day, we should likely head towards the secondary projection. E-mini S&P June 5,400, 5,395. Traders, I want to get this video right out to you, so no fanfare, no anything. Meet me at livewithoscar.com, and we'll work through these markets in my live trading room. I will be here all night tonight, and of course all day tomorrow. I will see you there. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to these videos. Join me at livewithoscar.com. Be safe out there, kids. Put your stops in first.